My name's Phillip. I'm travelling from Winsford to Manchester each day in my Nissan Leaf. Primarily I got it for travel to and from work, the commute, which is 30 miles each way. Had a proper charge point fitted at home. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds just to plug it in, and you leave it overnight. I have an economy 7 metre, so at some point about 12:30, 1:30 in the morning, it turns on and starts charging at the cheap rate. Much like using a mobile phone, you charge your phone up overnight, use it during the day. From empty, that means it's probably about £2 that would travel me 100 miles. It's sort of automatic because you've only got forwards and backwards. You don't have to change gear. It's very smooth, but you've got the take off if you need it. I've got an app on the phone and I request it to get to its preset temperature. Even in the midst of winter, everyone else has to scrape the cars. I just come outside. The car is pre-warmed, pre-defrosted, and off a drive in a toasty warm car. I've been running a fully electric car for 2.5 years, and it fulfills my daily driving needs easily. So I can't see myself buying another non-electric car. I do believe it's the future.